It's like he doesn't hear what I say. His mind is somewhere far away, and I don't know how to get there. It's like he only wants to chill out, makes me wanna pull my hair out, like he doesn't even care. You, me, we're face to face, but we don't see eye to eye. Like fire and rain, you can drive me insane, but I can't say mad at you for anything. We're Venus and Mars, we're different stars. You're the harmony to every song I sing, and I wouldn't change a thing.